Here at the Elberta Tree Nursery, we grow containerized loblolly and longleaf pine seedlings. Then we also do bare root, loblolly, slash Virginia pine and sand pine seedlings. Sowing operation is the most important operation. If we don't sow the seed and get great germination, it affects us for a whole year. That affects the company, and that we may have to buy seedlings from outside sources, which we try not to do.
The soils here in Baldwin County, Alabama are silty, loamy sands. It's a very fine sand, and we also have a good clay subsoil. So not only do we have excellent water holding capacity here with the clay, but the fine sands allow for superior root production. And when you talk about bare root seedlings, you're really looking at as much a root crop as you are the foliar aspects of the trees. So the roots on our seedlings are superior to just about anything else grown in the South. And here we are 6 months later, beginning to harvest the seedlings and ship them across the South to reforest one of Rayonier's recently harvested timber tracts.
When we harvest our bare root seedlings, we actually use a lifting machine. That machine takes the seedlings from the ground and pulls them out of the ground, leaving intact the fibrous root system. That root system is very important to what we do, because without roots, your survivability of the trees goes down.
Here at Elberta Nursery, 80% of our seedlings are grown for Rayonier lands. Approximately 20% are sold to the outside market, to other companies similar to Rayonier, other REITs.
Yeah, and the seedlings are lifted at the nursery in Elberta. They're shipped here based on the seed lot and the species that we're requesting on this forest. And what we'll do is get them here by van, reefer van, or refrigerated trailer. And that will come here and sit on site for as long as it takes to plant that van load. I like to minimize it to 2 weeks from lifting to planting. On this forest, it's somewhere between 350 and 450 acres on one van, and that can take anywhere from a week to 10 days to plant that amount. I would argue from a forest resources standpoint, it may be the most critical process. You can do everything else perfectly. If you don't plant correctly, if you don't have good seedlings, then the whole process is broken. That link is broken. This is a really important link, possibly the most important one.